It's time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts Jeff Dorsey and Sherry Bussey, presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Marry Me Monday. Sherry Bussey is alongside, and we're kind of excited because Emerald City Jewelers is teaming up with Y101 for the Bridal Expo coming up on Saturday, and there's going to be a big cake dive that you're a big part of this thing.
Well, yes. If you come into my store and register to be a person that's diving into the cake, one person gets a $2,000 shopping spree at the store.
Yeah, but you got to register at Emerald City Jewelers before the Bridal Expo to make that happen. So
that's right.
Get that done before Thursday.
We'll choose 9 winners from our store and one from the Bridal Expo. So I guess you got one chance in 800 to get your name drawn there. But if you come to the store and register, you're going to have a lot better chances of being one of the top 9 people. Yep.
A total of 10 people will be diving into a cake at the expo. 9 of those 10 will have registered at your store.
That's right.
So make sure you get out there. No purchase necessary.
No purchase necessary. Just come in and fill out the little form.
And you'll be good to go.
You'll be good to go.
And maybe you'll be one of the people contacted Thursday prior to the expo to be a part of this. So
that's right. So you got to register before Thursday.
Thursday night, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's get in here.
And they're going to win a $2,000 shopping spree.
That's right. That's right.
Wow.
Most brides can use that.
Plus, you get to enjoy some pretty good cake, too, I understand. So make sure you get in the store and register. And while you're in the store, walk around and check out what you got available. You got plenty of things
We have a lot of nice things for attendance gifts and flower girls and all kinds of people, little ring bears. We've got all kinds of little things for those kids.
Of course, you got Valentine's Day beyond this coming up. You might be thinking about that a little bit, too.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, Valentine's Day is on its way.
That kind of sneaks up on a lot of people, you know?
It does. It does. Well, it comes right after Christmas. So you can make up for mistakes that you made at Christmas.
If that person's still with you. Anyway, now's the time to be thinking about it at least, and maybe even get it taken care of right then and there. You know?
Got a necklace at Christmas, come in and get the matching earrings for Valentine's Day.
There you go. Match up everything that way.
Yep.
And, of course, beyond that, you got all kinds of events. Before you know it, it's going to be in June. You got anniversary dates coming up. So get some ideas, at least, when you walk around the store is what we're saying.
That's right.
There's plenty of them in there. Of course, you'll gift wrap any of the gifts that you purchase at Emerald City Jewelers. Want to get the story?
Yeah, let's hear the story.
It says, we were at dinner with my family, and I was playing the song I wanted to dance with my dad for our daddy-daughter dance. I was sitting there just listening to it, and he got up, turned around, and asked me to marry him. He planned on doing it during our vacation on the beach, but with family health issues, he decided to do it right in front of my parents, which I thought was pretty cool.
Really nice.
And we thank Sarah for sending that to us here.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. And for doing so, Sarah gets a nice gift certificate from Emerald City Jewelers and, of course, a Marry Me Monday t-shirt, which is pretty cool.
Yep.
So
they're really cute.
Send those to y101radio.com, those stories, and maybe we'll use yours next week on our next edition of Marry Me Monday. All right, get in there before the end of the day Thursday and register to try to be a part of the cake dive at the Bridal Expo. So
it should be fun to watch. I'm excited for it.
It's going to be a blast.
Fun. Yeah.
It's going to be a blast.
Even better when you're diving in and you get a $2,000 shopping spree.
So it'll be fun to watch the whole event take place, and somebody's going to be the big winner of a $2,000 shopping spree from Emerald City Jewelers. All right, thank you very much. Of course, Emerald City Jewelers located where?
Well, we're located at the corner of 33rd and Broadway under the Emerald Green roof. We share the corner with the Kentucky Fried Chicken across the street from main entrance of the mall.
And you're open from when to when?
9:30 to 5:30. So that helps if you get off work at 5. You can stop by after work and register. Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5:30. Saturday, 9:30 to 3. And Sundays, we're closed now.
Okay.
We are by appointment. So if you can come in on a Sunday, let us know. We'll meet you there.
All right. Sherry, thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you at the expo.
Okay, great.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday, 7:25, for another exciting edition of Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.